Hey guys, I'm Tangie Cousins. I work with Foreclosures and Probates daily. I'm a nationwide lead provider. I provide leads to investors, realtors, attorneys, and just your basic home buyer. We have about 25 different types of leads we can offer you. And tonight, I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to be speaking on Beginning Investors Group at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of marketing and the hottest leads nationwide and how you can utilize them in some unique marketing techniques. I'm also going to be introducing your main speaker, which is Al Nicoletti, and he's been in the business for a very long time. He's an attorney, and he's going to be teaching you guys how he can close probates for you in 5 to 14 days. That's 5 to 14 days, guys. This is unheard of in the entire nation. Al's closing people's probates in literally 5 to 14 days at the Beginning Investors Group online tonight, 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And you can use my code if you're interested in signing up for the leads. My code is TLC1000. We're going to be giving a huge discount to anybody on tonight's call just by mentioning Beginning Investors Group with Tangie Cousins and Al Nicoletti using code TLC1000. Thanks, guys. I'll see you tonight.